we enter, you will get this living and dining area where you will get two parallel platforms. You can customize your lower cabinets. This is the space of a master bedroom where you can. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Seasons Green by Seasons Group located in Kalyan West. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office. And over here is an actual land parcel where you can see all the towers are almost ready. This is the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. So now, talking about the project overview, this project will be spread across the land parcel of 3 acres with 8 towers having ground plus 7 floors with 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences, and also Jodi options are available. Talking about the amenities, this project has 40 plus world-class amenities with swimming pool, clubhouse of ground plus 1 level, yoga deck, kids play area, indoor game zone, gym, and many more amenities. Now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at DB Chowk near Muta College, Kalyan West, from where Kalyan railway station is only 3.5 kilometers, upcoming metro is only 1 kilometer, ring road is at a distance of 200 meters, and school, colleges, hospital and shopping center is at a distance of 1 kilometer from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. So now we are standing outside the 2 BHK of Seasons Greens. Let's start with the sample flat tour and see what the builders have provided. As we enter, you will get this living and dining area. You can place your sofa, center table and customize your TV unit in the living. You will get vitrified tiles in the whole flat, and over here you will get full French windows with a balcony as well. You can place your dining table as well, and over here we have a common bedroom of this 2 BHK. You can see the bedroom is very spacious. You can place your beds, side tables, and you can also customize your wardrobe, and you will get full French windows with a balcony space provided in this bedroom also. Moving forward, let me mention, if we close this door and make a wall over here, this will be a 1 BHK. This space will be the space of a 1 BHK. This is your 2 BHK, and moving forward, this will be your kitchen area where you will get 2 parallel platforms. You can customize your lower cabinets and your upper cabinets. You also have space provided to place your refrigerator. And you also have full French windows with a dry balcony in the kitchen. Right opposite to the kitchen, we have a common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. As we enter, you'll get a foyer area that gives your bedroom full privacy. This is the space of a master bedroom where you can place your bed, side table, and as you can see, the wardrobe space is within the wall that gives your bedroom a bigger look. You will get full French windows with a balcony in this bedroom as well. And this is your attached washroom of this master bedroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. So this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of Seasons Green. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. And also, have you bought properties in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.